To draw an angel, real easy, we're going to start with the face, which is like a U shape, an uppy umbrella, a cup. And then we're going to draw little curls like that across. And we're going to put a little hairband in there like that. And then we'll draw the hair coming around and around there like that. Then we'll have little eyes like that, and little nose, and let's have this angel singing or something like that. La! And our angel's going to want a little neck and maybe a kind of a frilly collar like that. And here we're going to draw a curve and a curve like that. And then this is going to be the angel's robes coming like that, and join them with a curve at the bottom. And here we want a curve going that way and a curve going that way. And then these are going to be the sleeves. And then we can just put some little fingers sticking out there like that, however many you want, like that. And then, let's put some feet out there. And then comes the really important bit, the wings. So watch what happens here. We're going to go up and across and up like that. We'll do the same here, up and across and up. Maybe a bit more. And then here we're going to come around and we're going to do these feathers, which are going to come around like that. It's going to go around into these feathers like that. And then here we're going to have little bits that go that way, and they get smaller and smaller, smaller and smaller and smaller, and then kind of a flick it that way. And then we'll have another one like that. And there you are. Maybe she's standing on a cloud. Colour it in, and that's how you draw an angel. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy, so you can come back and do lots more drawings. Bye.